Hello everyone. Let's play a game. Guess different birds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. An avocet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A bat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A crane. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A cuckoo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A crow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A chicken. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A dove. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A duck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. An eagle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A falcon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A flamingo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A goose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A hoopoe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A hawk. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A hummingbird. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A kiwi. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A kingfisher. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A lark. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A magpie. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. An owl. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. An ostrich. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A penguin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A peacock. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A parrot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A pigeon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A quail. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A robin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A swan. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A seagull. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A swallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A sparrow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A sandpiper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A vulture. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A woodpecker. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A weaver. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A macaw. 'Subscribe.